No degree? No problem. What if I told you that making $10,000 a month is absolutely possible, and you don't need a fancy diploma to do it? In today's video, I'll break down real ways people are hitting 10K a month without a degree, and how you can too. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the blueprint to building your mogul life. The myth of the degree. We've been sold a lie that you must have a degree to earn six figures. The truth? Most high-income skills and businesses today don't ask for your credentials. They care about results. From freelancing to service businesses to online ventures, people are earning 10K plus a month because they learned a skill, delivered value, and built income streams. 3 paths to 10K a month. Let's get practical. Here are 3 proven paths that can take you to 10K a month without a degree. 1. Freelancing and high-income skills. Skills like copywriting, web design, video editing, coding, digital marketing, or social media management are in massive demand. Example: a freelance copywriter charging $200 per email only needs 50 emails a month. That's 2 to 3 clients at most. Tip: start on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or reach out to businesses directly. 2. Service-based business. Cleaning, lawn care, pressure washing, tutoring, car detailing. These are businesses people need and will pay well for. Example: a cleaning company booking 5 houses at $150 each equals $750 a day equals 15K a month, working 20 days. The best part? You can scale by hiring help. 3. Digital products and online business. Sell templates, online courses, ebooks, printables, or even start a faceless YouTube channel. Example: selling a $20 digital template? You only need 500 sales a month. That's 17 sales a day. Create once, sell forever. The key ingredient. What separates the people who hit 10K from those who don't? They take action fast, stay consistent, and focus on one path at a time until it works. You don't need 5 degrees. You don't even need $5,000 to start. You need a skill or service people will pay for, a plan to get customers, the discipline to stick with it. If you want to learn exactly how to build wealth without a degree and start making 10K a month, subscribe to Money Mogul and turn on notifications. Comment below, which path are you going to try first? Remember, no degree can stop you. You just have to start.